Hello folks, so today we are trying for the very first time this fruit that is called a black sapote. The black sapote is a part of the persimmon family and is native to Mexico. It's one of those unique fruits that you have to try sometime or the other. All right? All right, so the wife, you're gonna cut it now.
AKA chocolate fruit.
Let's see. We never had this before. This is our first time. Go ahead, see. Cut into it.
It's soft. It feels like star apple. That's the texture. Ooh. This looks like a Neesberry on steroids.
It looked like chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
That is crazy. Guys, have you ever had this before? Cut. I need to try it. It's supposed to have seeds, you know. Cut this one in half like that. No, the other way. Yeah. Supposed to have seeds. Ooh, wow. No, when you look at it from this side, look how black it is, man. Watch it, babes. Guys, I have to try this. Can I? I have to try this. This is the classic chocolate fruit. Wow. Black support. Watch it. Even the part will come off of my fingers. Watch it.
Where is it from? Like,
It's from a place called Sapote.
where?
Yeah. I see her over there, guys. You try it first.
Me first?
Yeah. Just try it. Try it. Try it. Try it. Try it.
Nice.
Wait till it's like, try it. Try it. Try it.
I can't say it. Like, it want to give me a sweet sap taste.
Like sweet sap? Wow.
Or even some kind of
Custard apple. All right, I'm gonna try it now then. So I'm gonna try it.
Or a star apple. Tastes like something familiar.
But it does give you a pudding, like a pudding type. No, it's a chocolate pudding. It's sweet, but not overly sweet. And it's almost like a custard apple.
Josh, come here.
Josh is gonna be like not wanting to try it, but guys, you have to try this in your neck of the woods. Yeah, black support. All messy, my hands are messy and everything. It's good. Me like it. More and more. Can I get more, please? Thank you. Wow, this is so good, babes. Tell me what this is good for again.
It has 3 times much more vitamin C per serving than orange. It's a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and fiber.
Wow.
Don't play.
3 times more vitamin C than orange in a one piece of chocolate fruit. Yeah? Black sapote. Josh, you never like the black sapote? Eh? Why you don't like nothing good for you? Eh? This is black sapote. Yeah, your mommy just said it have 3 times the chocolate. No, 3 times the what?
Vitamin C.
Let's just steal.
He's so stupid, but it's still avocado. Guys, the inside of this look like avocado.
Josh.
It's not still avocado. It is. Listen. I'm gonna buy more of this and eat it with a spoon. No, I learned. I'm just gonna cut it right around and eat it with a spoon. The skin is so thin, you know. The skin is so look there, and all of the chocolate part, and it tastes really good. If you've never had this chocolate fruit before, black sapote, Black,
You find seeds?
I like it.
Yeah.
I just, if I found seeds, I might have swallowed some. I don't know. One last piece, and then that's it, guys. Black sapote. For all who have never tried this, especially if you're from the Caribbean, if you're from Jamaica, try the black sapote. There's no two ways about it. Just try it. It works. It tastes good. Oh, sorry. There's a little bit on my mouth right here. Yeah, it's good. Try it. Watch this now. Nom, 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 nom. Have yourself a great day. Me and my black sapote are out for today. Thank you. Bye. Take care now. So there you have it. The black sapote. The black sapote.